The term superfood was first utilized to promote banana in the early 20th century. Today, the word superfood is used to describe any food that has many health benefits, particularly ones that are high in nutrient and low in calories. Although there are many advantages to the consumption of superfood, eating too much of them can be just as dangerous as eating unhealthy junk food. Today's video will discuss 7 superfoods that we shouldn't overeat.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
1. Broccoli can irritate your intestines. A cup of raw broccoli contains just 31 calories, 6 grams of carbs, and 0.3 grams of fat. It's rich in fiber, protein, vitamin C, potassium, and other vitamins and minerals. However, studies have found that consumption too much broccoli and other cruciferous veggies for that matter can cause bowel irritations or make you gassy. 2. Salmon can thin your blood. Salmon is a good source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids that are good for reducing inflammation. 1 3-ounce portion of salmon takes care of nearly 30% of an adult's daily protein requirements. While salmon is a top choice for many health-conscious individuals, the overconsumption of omega-3s can have a negative effect on your blood count and can even thin the blood. In addition, studies have found that eating too much of fish, including salmon, can boost mercury level in the blood. 3. Cinnamon can poison the body. Cinnamon is considered a superfood due to its high antioxidant content and many medicinal properties, capable of lowering blood sugar levels, reducing inflammation, and preventing heart disease. The popular apple pie spice is considered one of the top superfoods among the spice family. Despite all its health benefits, the amount of cinnamon we ingest must be monitored to 1 teaspoon a day per adult. Research has revealed that too much cinnamon can be toxic due to the coumarin it contains. Coumarin is especially dangerous to people with liver problems and can cause liver damage with excessive intake. 4. Avocado can cause fat buildup. Avocado has gained global popularity as a superfood in recent years due to its high nutrient properties. A single serving of avocado makes up for 1/4 of an adult's vitamin K requirement, 1/5 of our folate requirements, and 1/10 of our daily vitamin E needs. The fatty fruit is also rich in omega-3s and fiber, but too much avocado can also lead to inflammation, bloating, and an upset stomach. 5. Kombucha can increase acid levels. Kombucha is a fermented sweet tea that is high in antioxidants and probiotics. Today, kombucha is considered a healthy superfood and a go-to drink for detoxing. Kombucha, however, is not beneficial to people with weak immune system due to the fact that it contains different types of bacteria and yeast since it is served in a raw and unpasteurized state. In addition, too much kombucha can give you an upset stomach or cause acidity. 6. Tuna can affect your motor skills. Tuna is a lean protein that is rich in omega-3s and vitamin B12. Similar to salmon and other fish, tuna contains mercury, making it a dangerous food when consumed in a large and frequent quantities. Poisoning from mercury manifests in the memory or vision loss, physical tremors, and numbness. 7. Green tea can cause aches and pains. Green tea has been labeled as one of the healthiest beverages in the world due to its high antioxidant content. The antioxidants in green tea have been found to be low risk of cancer and heart disease, burn fat, and improve brain function. While there are countless benefits to green tea, excessive amount of it can cause negative side effects, particularly due to its high caffeine content. Effects of consuming too much caffeine include insomnia, headache, palpitations, and heartburn. Which of these superfoods surprised you the most? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.